Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Hell is Us not launching or won't launch, crashing at a startup, freezing problem, not loading, stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on Xbox. So without wasting your time, let's follow the fixes. The first solution is to make sure your Xbox is up to date. So go to Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it. Next solution is to clear Hell is Us cache files. So press Xbox guide button, click on my games and apps and then click on see all. Look for Hell is Us game and highlight it. Then press menu and select manage game and add-ons. Click on save data, reserve space and then click on clear reserve space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete profile. Make sure you click delete from console when deleting. Solution 3 is to clear persistent storage. So go to Xbox settings, go to devices and connections, Blu-ray, click on persistent storage and then click on clear persistent storage. Fourth solution is to clear alternate MAC address. Go to Xbox settings, go to general network settings, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address and then click on clear and then restart your console. Now launch Hell is Us and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then go to solution 5, remove and re-add account. Go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts. Select the account that you want to remove, select the account in which you are having the problem and then select remove. Now re-add your account. After adding your account, launch Hell is Us game and see if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to run Hell is Us from store instead of running the game from Xbox home. To do this, type Hell is Us in the search bar and click on it, then click on launch game. Now see if your problem is solved or not. Seventh solution is to switch network connection. If you are connected to wireless connection, then try using an Ethernet cable to access internet and check. If you are using Wi-Fi, then try connecting to mobile hotspot. If possible, then try to connect to different Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot and then launch the game and check. Next solution is to manually select port. So go to Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, test network connection, advanced settings. Select alternate port selection, then click on manual, click on select port and then select a port that start with 4 or 5, then continue. Restart your console and then launch the game and check if problem fixed or not. If not, then repeat the process and select the port one by one and check which one work for you. Ninth solution is to change DNS server. So go to your Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, advanced settings, go to DNS settings, manual, enter 8888 for primary DNS and 8844 for secondary DNS. Now launch the game and check problem fixed or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time type 1111 for primary DNS and 1001 for secondary DNS. Then relaunch the game and check. And the last solution is to reinstall Hell is Us game. So if nothing seems to work, then the last solution is to simply uninstall Hell is Us from Xbox, then fresh reinstall it and then launch the game and check if it fixes your issue or not. So by this way you can fix Hell is Us not launching or won't launch, crashing at a startup, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen problem on Xbox. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.